Here are important practices for routine operation and maintenance of laboratory equipment to avoid costly and deadly mistakes. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more safety practices. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's talk about electrical safety. Always inspect cords for any signs of fraying or damage before using them. If you find any issues, report them immediately and do not use the damaged equipment. Always unplug equipment before cleaning, performing maintenance, or troubleshooting to prevent electrical shocks. Familiarize yourself with the location of emergency shutoff switches for each piece of equipment and the main breaker. Power strips and surge protectors can overload and create fire hazards. Only plug essential equipment directly into outlets. Moving on to machine safety. Always read and understand the equipment manual before operating any machinery. Never leave running equipment unattended. Report any malfunctions or unusual noises to the lab manager or qualified personnel. Secure loose clothing, jewelry, and long hair before operating any machinery to prevent them from getting caught in rotating parts. When working with biohazardous materials, always decontaminate surfaces and equipment after use. Follow proper procedures for handling spills of biohazardous materials to prevent contamination. Lastly, centrifuges can generate aerosols that may contain pathogens. Use them within a biological safety cabinet or BSC when working with biohazards. Even seemingly harmless materials like blood or saliva can carry infectious diseases. Treat all potentially infectious materials with caution. While these general safety practices apply across most equipment, there are definitely specific routines for different types of lab instruments. Remember, always consult the manufacturer's instructions for specific use and maintenance procedures for your equipment. If you're interested to know more about general workplace safety, hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.